The seven major companies, that is Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla, are known as the Magnificent Seven. While dominating the tech landscape, these companies continue to lead to the technological advancements and boost economic growth worldwide. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. These seven companies combine vision, talent, culture, technology, structure, and routines to stay ahead and shape the market. To maintain a lasting advantage, they focus on building their strengths deeply. They attract and keep top talent by providing tough challenges, creative workplaces, and chances for both personal and professional growth. Here's a brief summary of their impact. Alphabet, that is Google, leads the internet search market and digital advertising while also being a pioneer in artificial intelligence and autonomous driving through its subsidiary Waymo. Its Android operating system powers billions of devices globally. Amazon transformed e commerce and cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, that is AWS. It continues to expand into areas like logistics, artificial intelligence, and even healthcare. Apple, famous for devices like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac, Apple is a leader in hardware design, software integration, and user experience, making it one of the world's most valuable companies. Meta, that is Facebook, originally a social media giant, Meta is now focused on creating the metaverse, a virtual world blending augmented and virtual reality, aiming to change how people connect digitally. Microsoft, a global leader in software, cloud computing, and business solutions. Its Azure cloud platform and Office 365 are widely used in businesses worldwide, and it's advancing in AI and gaming through Xbox. NVIDIA, known for its graphics processing units, that is GPUs, NVIDIA plays a major role in artificial intelligence, gaming, and data centers, powering AI research, autonomous vehicles, and advanced computing. Tesla, the leader in the electric vehicle market, is driving innovation in sustainable energy with its energy store solutions and solar products. Its advancements in autonomous driving are also pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. The Magnificent Seven are not just the biggest companies by market value, but are also at the forefront of innovation across many areas from consumer electronics to cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Their breakthroughs are driving global economic growth and changing how we live, work, and interact in a more digital world. Let's look into today's headlines. Infosys to invest up to rupees 17 crore in space tech. Infosys said that it will invest up to rupees 17 crore in space tech startup Galaxy Space Solutions as part of Infosys Innovation Fund. The investment will be made in equity and Series A compulsory convertible preference shares allotment. According to a regulatory filing, the all-cash deal is expected to be completed on or before September 30th of 2024. Infosys will undertake a minority holding in Galaxy. Intel announces its Foundry business spin-off. Intel has announced plans to establish a new Intel Foundry Services, that is IFS spin-off. The Foundry business is set to become its own standalone subsidiary. The announcement was made by company CEO Pat Gelsinger and is set to align with three of Intel's main goals, enhancing its Foundry operations, cutting costs, and focusing on its core x86 technology. This news follows its second quarter earnings call when Intel announced a major $10 billion cost reduction plan. Apple is testing AI software to bring smarter intelligence to iPhone 16. Apple is letting users test a software update that will implant artificial intelligence into its virtual assistant Siri and automate a variety of tedious tasks on the latest iPhone 16. The free update was made available to the audience who have signed up to test Apple's software before its release to all iPhone owners next month. All iPhone 16 models are equipped to handle the new technology, which the company calls its Apple Intelligence. Google Chrome updated with a new experimental AI search feature. Google is testing a new experimental feature, AI powered history search in Chrome. The feature allows users to search their browsing history using natural language. The user will not need any specific keywords or URLs but can now search with every day. This feature stores website URLs, titles, and content locally in encrypted form, allowing for AI powered search queries. The government may allow more compute capacity based on requirement under India AI mission. Electronics and IT Secretary S. Krishnan said that the government may look at creating more compute capacity through viability gap funding after building high-tech capability under the rupees 10,372 crore India AI mission. Under the mission, supercomputing capacity comprising over 10,000 GPUs will be made available to various stakeholders for creating an artificial intelligence ecosystem. Krishnan said the vision is to create capacity in a public-private partnership model. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.